Hello, my name is Rohan Goswami, and my presentation is on the social networking platform Spotify. Spotify is a music platform that launched in 2008. The platform has consistently grown in popularity over the years and become one of the top 3 music streaming platforms in the world. Spotify operates on a freemium business model in which basic services are free. However, users are offered a choice to upgrade to a premium membership for $9.99 a month. In exchange, users can create custom playlists and stream any song on demand in their limitless library. Premium users are also allowed to save playlists for access to when they do not have internet connection. Spotify's brand identity is music for everyone, and that's truly who their platform is for. Spotify utilizes an easy-to-use user interface and makes discovering and listening to music and podcasts easy. Spotify also syncs across all of your devices, making all of your personal tastes and recommendations central no matter where you are. In the 2 images depicted, you can see both personal recommendations as well as a playlist that I have saved for when I do not have internet connection. Spotify truly excels in its integration with social networking platforms. From the beginning, Spotify has created partnerships with Facebook, allowing the music platform to be the first social media music experience. Spotify allows users to share what they're listening to with their friends, allowing users to share new music with one another. Members can also build collaborative playlists with one another, adding another dimension of interaction. Spotify and Instagram also announced recently that users will now be able to share what they're listening to via Instagram stories. Users are also able to follow their favorite artists. This allows them to receive alerts when new music arrives. It also notifies them of any recently added videos or local concerts for that artist as well. In the image depicted, you can see me following an artist, as well as the last release of his latest music. Spotify does have a few caveats. As previously discussed, Spotify runs on a subscription-based model. While the free version worked well, I did end up upgrading to their premium membership. It is of note that while the first 3 months are only 99 cents, thereafter, users are charged $9.99 a month. If one does not elect the premium membership, they are not allowed access to many of the features that make Spotify such a great platform. Additionally, these users will be subjected to frequent ads and will not have a choice in the selection of what song they hear next. Spotify also allows users to use the application anonymously, without notifying your friends or social media network of your music history. They do this by electing Private Session. While in Private Session, Spotify will not share any of your selections to anyone. Additionally, Spotify users can unlink their social media accounts and use the application as a standalone app as well. In the pictures depicted, you could see where you would toggle Private Session, as well as a premium subscription-based model. In my experience, I truly did enjoy using Spotify. Initially, I did not enjoy the platform due to the relentless advertisements and inability to pick which song I wanted to listen to. However, after upgrading to the premium membership, I am convinced I will use Spotify as my premium primary platform for music. I enjoyed having the ability to save songs I liked into individuals' playlists. I also enjoyed being able to save that playlist for when I was traveling and did not have internet connection. I had a few flights this week and this provided very useful. Additionally, the ability to follow artists made it very easy to interact with all the new content that they were releasing. I thoroughly enjoyed the Hot 50 playlist that displayed the 50 most popular songs, either globally or in the US. This allowed me to discover an immense amount of music from many different genres. I also really liked that Spotify showed me all the local concerts around me. I live in the heart of Hollywood, and Spotify was able to show me in an organized way all of the events that might interest me. In the 2 images depicted, you could see concerts here, local to me in West Hollywood, as well as the top 50 songs in the United States. Here, I have provided a link to where you could sign up for Spotify. The first 3 months will be only 99 cents for all 3 months. Thereafter, you will pay $9.99. However, as we are all students in this class, we are eligible for the student discount, in which we receive both Hulu and Spotify for the low price of $4.99. I have also provided a link to that as well.